One of the most important departments for any business is accounting. One might even consider it the heart of the business. As such, businesses have been employing accounting tools like QuickBooks to help manage their finances. It's simple to set up, fairly affordable, and easy to use. That's why for the longest time, many businesses have been incorporating QuickBooks and Salesforce into their operations to get insight into areas they can improve regarding customer relationship management and accounting. With that said, it may be time to move on from QuickBooks, especially if your business needs advanced reporting or accounting. Thankfully, you have GoldFinch ERP built on the Salesforce platform. You get a powerhouse solution that not only has accounting capabilities, but also helps you manage your relationships with clients and internal teams effectively. Keep watching to understand the benefits of migrating your company's accounting to GoldFinch in order to help you streamline your business's operations. While QuickBooks is an effective accounting platform, it may not meet all your business needs, especially if your company is growing. How do you know when it's time to move on? Here are some things to look out for. The more your company grows, the more departments you'll have. That means you'll need a tool to help manage all of these departments in a streamlined fashion. Even if you're using Salesforce and QuickBooks simultaneously, you still have other departments to consider, like human resources, manufacturing, your warehouse, and more. Using GoldFinch ERP allows you to connect all departments under one platform. You don't just get accounting and customer relationship management. You also get clear visibility on other departments. One of the benefits of an ERP solution like GoldFinch is that it's customizable. As much as QuickBooks can be personalized, the options are limited. On the other hand, if you seek a more tailored solution to help you run your business effectively, consider an ERP. Another reason to move on from QuickBooks is if you want to share access between more people than QuickBooks can support. A tool that supports multiple users can help you run the business efficiently. This is important when you have a business with a high number of employees. In addition, if you're looking to grow your business fast, you need an ERP such as GoldFinch to help support your growing needs. Migrating your business to an ERP is a big decision that can help you enjoy high efficiency and insight, leading to growth. Let's look at some of the benefits you could stand to gain from making such a move. One of the benefits of GoldFinch ERP is that it comes with a built-in accounting tool that can handle complex data, giving you deeper insight into your financials. It supports advanced analytics, offering real-time data and comprehensive reporting features that make accounting go smoothly. The result is being able to make informed decisions backed by data. GoldFinch CRM doesn't just cover accounting. It integrates other business functions into a single platform. The tool unites CRM, HR, and supply chain management, among other departments. This integration reduces manual data entry, which cuts down on errors and streamlines workflows. It frees up valuable time, allowing employees to focus on strategic tasks instead of simply bookkeeping. Financial information is sensitive. You don't want any information to leak into the wrong hands or to people without access. Fortunately, GoldFinch offers superior data security, which is an important aspect. The more your business grows, the more compliance becomes an issue. Luckily, the GoldFinch ERP system has tools to help manage compliance with different regulations, reducing the risk of legal problems and costly penalties. It can adapt to other tax laws and financial regulations. This is particularly important when running a global enterprise, where you must adhere to multiple tax laws. The tool shows that you have complied, no matter where your business is located. Another benefit of migrating your company's financials to GoldFinch ERP is to improve collaboration with your company. The tool breaks down data silos between departments, fostering a collaborative environment. With shared data, employees can collaborate more effectively, driving productivity. Migrating from QuickBooks to GoldFinch ERP isn't just about changing the software that manages your finances. It's a strategic move that positions your business for future growth and sales. It's about building a solid foundation for your business that will support the complexities of your growing needs. In addition, you get a tool that handles other business processes besides accounting. Everything can be done under one platform instead of moving from one tool to the other for different tasks. As a result, you improve operations and customer relations. If you're ready to reap the benefits and make this transition, contact GoldFinch today.